Let's go ahead and finish up our dragon's head. As you can see down here, we folded both of our sides in and made his neck a little bit thinner. Now we're going to fold it over here, just kind of press it down to make sure it's all good and flat. There, it looks a lot thinner already. Now we're going to create his head. What we're going to do is we're going to bend this part down here. We're going to bend it down like so, and then fold it over like this, kind of forcing it to conform here. And as you can see, it should make a nice little kite shape in here. Now we need to make him a mouth. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this point, we're going to open it up a little bit and just fold it back in there like so. And there we've created his point and his little horn that sticks out the back. So we're going to fold it up one more time like so, just to define the mouth a little bit more. So we got a little curve here, and then we're going to fold it back one more time to give him kind of that jowl look, almost like a horse. And then have his little horn sticking out the back there. So there we've completed that part of his head. Now what we're going to do is we're going to force his neck down just a wee bit by doing the same kind of bend, just forcing that on the inside and pulling that down. There. Now he has a good bend in his neck.